Hello everyone, today's episode is entirely based on mixed bag. Today is the last episode of this year, so you are getting a huge discount. I am showing you all the sarees within 2000 range. So let's start. This is saree number 1. This is saree number 1. It's a cotton silk gadwal. Cotton silk gadwal, not pure cotton gadwal. This is the pallu part. Green with magenta. This one is green with magenta. Palla, entire saree you will get buta. All over the saree you will get buta, this type of buta. And along with this saree, here is the blouse piece. The price, the contrast blouse piece along with this saree. It's a cotton silk gadwal and the price is only 1500 with free shipping. Saree number 1, for booking take the screenshot or mention the saree number. This is saree number 1, cotton silk gadwal. Price is 1500 with free shipping. Moving to the next one, the same type of saree with different color combination and different border. See, this is purple color or royal blue you can say with maroon. This is the palla part. This portion will come for the palla. And this is also a cotton silk material. In this saree you are getting this type of buta. This is the border, palla part, and along with this saree, all over the saree you are getting buta. This one is also cotton silk material. The price for this saree is also 1500. Here is the blouse piece. For booking, please take the screenshot or mention the saree number. This is saree number 2. Booking number is 9330866384. This is saree number 2, only 1500. Moving to the next one. It's a khaddi, semi-khaddi Banarasi. Definitely semi-khaddi, pure khaddi I cannot provide you at 1500. This is a semi-khaddi Banarasi. This is the palla part, rani color, black with rani. Semi-khaddi. Price for this one is also 1500. You are getting a huge discount. This is end of season discount. Today is the last episode. Today is the last episode of this year. See, semi-khaddi 1500. Along with this saree you are getting a blouse piece, contrast blouse piece of rani color. Here is the blouse piece. This is for the blouse piece. Price for this one is again 1500. You are getting free shipping all over India. Moving to the next one, booking number is 9330866384. Next one, it is of 1750. It's a Chanderi material. Chanderi material, this see, palla part, color is sea green. This is Chanderi material, color is sea green. Just have a look on this. All over the body, this type of buta is there. The price for this one is only 1750. For booking, take the screenshot, requesting all of you to put some comments, and you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is the booking number 9330866384. Here is the blouse piece. This is a very soft material with a soft color. Material is Chanderi with this type of zari border and palla. Price is 1750. Here is the blouse piece. Moving to the next one. It's a Bhagalpur Tasar. It's a Bhagalpur Tasar, definitely semi-tasar. But I will show you, it's a very beautiful one. Price is same, 1750. 1750 is the price. See, the color is dark chocolate color. Dark chocolate color. Palla. All over the body you will get this type of buta, and the saree having a very sleek border. Just see, this is the border. Both sides you are getting this type of border, and the buta is also similar. The price for this one is also 1750. Just have a look on this. It's a semi-tassar from Bhagalpur. Semi-tassar from Bhagalpur, price is 1750. These all are very pretty sarees. So for booking, you can take the screenshot or send it to my number 9330866384. Number 6. Number 6 is another Bhagalpur saree, semi-tassar. All are semi-tassar, and the price for this one is 1500. This saree do not have any buta, so this is 1500. The price for this saree is 1500. Both side you are getting border. Both side you are getting border. This is magenta color or light wine you can say, but it is magenta, it will be better. And see the fall also. These all are semi-tassar from Bhagalpur, and these are comfortable material. All the sarees having a running blouse piece. Price for this one, as I mentioned, it is also 1500. Moving to the next one. It's a semi-pashmina saree with a very bright color combination. This is the price for this saree. The price for this saree is 1950. See, this is the palla part. This portion is for palla. The color is royal blue, semi pashmina. Definitely at 1950 you cannot get a pure pashmina saree. These all are semi sarees, semi pashmina saree, but just see the look. For regular use, for gifting purpose, these all are very pretty. Price is 1950 with free shipping. Booking number is 9330866384. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Just have a look. This is a very bright and colorful saree at rupees 1950. At rupees 1950. Along with this saree also, you are getting a blouse piece. Just see. This is the blouse piece along with the saree. For booking, take the screenshot. This is the full view of the saree. Full view of the saree. Semi pashmina. 1950. Semi pashmina at rupees 1950. Moving to the next one. This is also semi georgette with some machine weave, machine embroidery. Just have a look. The saree having a tassels in the palla. This is the body part, maroon color. See the buta and the bindi, all are available in this saree. Very pretty one. The price for this one is also 1950. The price for this one is also 1950. It's a party wear saree, you can say, at a budget friendly price. 1950 is the price. Saree is very soft and lightweight. I will show you the dripping view also. Here is the blouse piece you are getting. See, this is the entire look of the saree. The price for this saree is 1950, 1950. For booking, take the screenshot. Booking number is 9330866384. Another Chanderi saree. This one is also cost only 1500. Only 1500 is the price for this saree. This one is also another Chanderi. See, this is the palla part. This portion is for palla. See the beauty of the saree. You can wear this saree with silver jewelry. It will suits more and more. Just see, the color is navy blue with this type of silver thread work. Entire saree is on weaving. Price for this one is also 1500. As I told you in the beginning of the episode that all the sarees today I am going to show all are within 2000. All are budget friendly, and this is the last episode of this year. So you are getting a huge discount. The price for this one is 1500, and this portion is for blouse piece. This stripe and this border for sleeves. 1500. Now another one, it is semi-ikat. Semi-ikat with this type of border. See the sari, this one is also very pretty. See, palla part, this is palla part. See the color combination. Though the saris are of less budget, pocket friendly saris, but all the saris are very pretty. See, this is the look. It will come in the front part. This sari having a border. The weaving part is like ikat, semi ikat. Just see, I will show you the sari in this way so that you can understand the design. The price for this one is also 1500. The price for this one is also 1500. See the entire sari. Entire sari will go like this way, and along with this sari you are getting our Rani color contrast blouse piece. See, for booking, this is grey with Rani combination with a budget friendly price of 1500. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number, requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is the entire look. Moving to the next one, this is sari number 11. Sari number 11 is another replica. See, this is the palla part. It will be the entire body. Just have a look on this. This is the entire body of the sari. The price for this one is also 1500. These all are very soft and comfortable, semi-silk, but very soft and comfortable material. And along with this sari, you are getting a contrast blouse piece like this. Price for this one is also 1500. Price for this one is also 1500. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 11. Moving to the next one, sari number 12. These all are cotton Banarasi. We call it Chanderi cotton Banarasi or cotton Chanderi Banarasi. Just see, these all are Chanderi material, palla part. This sari having a dual tone. It's difficult to explain. Green, and it's a combination of blue with magenta border. Just have a look. Comfortable sari with a budget friendly price. Price is only 1850. Price is only 1850. These all are cotton Chanderi saris with Benaras weave, so we call it cotton Chanderi Banarasi. Price is 1850. Sari having a blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Moving to the next one. It's a combination of green. The body is of green and yellow. Dual tone of green and yellow, and the border is turquoise blue. I will show you. This one is also, we call it cotton Chanderi Banarasi. See, this is the entire look of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot. Price is again 1850. Price for this sari is 1850. Today's episode is the saris which you are getting with a huge discount, so just grab it. And this portion is for blouse piece. Moving to the next one. Next one is another similar type of sari, cotton Chanderi Banarasi, but the blouse for this sari is slightly different, but the price is same. 1850 is the price. This is the palla part. Material are all same. See, cotton Chanderi Banarasi. This is the look, and the price for this one is also 1850. 1850 is the price for this sari. Shipping is free all over India. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking. and I will send you the sari through courier. COD is available only within Kolkata. And here is the blouse piece. This portion, this brocade type, this is the blouse piece along with the sari. The last sari which I am showing today, this is sari number 15. Sari number 15, another soft silk palla part. This is the palla part. This portion will come for the palla. All are weaving. Soft silk material is soft silk. The color is maroon. This is the look palla. Along with the sari, you are getting a contrast blouse piece of brinjal color or purple color. Material is soft silk and the price is again 1850. The price for this sari is again 1850. Just look at the sari. Look at the sari, it is very pretty one. Price is 1850. Soft silk with weaving. This all portions are weaving. The boota, I will show you the back portion also. These all are weaving. So that's all for today, for this year also. So for booking, please take the screenshot, and the booking number is, I repeat, 9330866384.